realized is in order to help people make better decisions, we really had to ingest vastly more data than we were ingesting. We needed to get location data, we needed to get health data, we needed to connect to sensors and devices all around the world. So you do need vast quantities of data to make good decisions, right? To make good recommendations for good decisions. As part of IBM, we have this unique capability and this amazing scale to be able to do and solve problems that other people and other governments even shy away from. Are we a media company, a data company, or a technology company? Those questions are absolutely fundamental in this journey, if you like. Once you have real clarity on that, you know what problems you're trying to solve for your customers, life gets much easier and you're able to move with velocity and really drive growth.